Hello guys, nagbabalik naman tayo sa atin natin video. So ngayon ay maglalaro tayo ng Insomnia. Hindi ko maintindihan yung pag ano. So sa title na yan. Ito guys, oh. Yan. Yan guys. Yan na guys. Okay, start na. Pasok na sa bahay. Tayo. Cutting nga tayo. Bawal. Yan na, teleporting na guys. Teleporting na to. Saan ako? Saan ako? Jump scare everyone, press X. Day 1. Uy, may katawan ah. May katawan. May malaron tayo, guys. At ano meron dito, guys? Babaan. So, baba na tayo, guys. Takto, ma'am. Asan yung ma'am natin? Ayan, guys. Si ma'am. Tak. Hi, worried about your dad. Worried pala guys, worried about your dad. I'm worried about your dad. He keeps going on about some Blacksy Cola drinks. Talk to your dad and see what's wrong with him. Okay. Na guys, kakausapin ko na. It very serious. I need you to get me more Blacksy Cola. I'm down to my last can. I don't think I can last much longer. Go to the shop across the road and get some for me. Punta pa ako. Lalabas tayo guys, lalabas tayo ng bahay. Doon tayo. Ba't kaya bawal tumakbo? Okay guys, naglalakad tayo dito. Blacksy Cola! Give you the power to do anything. Okay? Ayun, Blacksy Cola. Tak. The Blacksy Cola is behind me. Sa likod mo? Thanks. Thank you, par. The Blacksy is behind me. Oo. Yan guys, dalhin na natin. Dalhin natin to. What if na ininom natin guys? Ayoko try guys, ayoko try. Ano guys? Oh, how I miss it. You my one true love, Blacksy Cola. Blacksy Cola gods are calling me. Oh, also don't forget to visit your granny. Oo. Kasi di ko nabasa yun ah. Doon yung ganyan ba? Dito. Lalakad pa tayo. Pumunta tayo sa granny. Guys. Yung pinapanood mo. 100 hours yan eh. Kaya naman pinapanood mo. Can you deliver this package to the neighbor for me? I think their package got shipped to my house. My mistake. I was gonna send it over yesterday, but no one was in. Careful, the neighbor is a strange man. Package. Tara sa neighbor. Christmas na pala dito guys, oh. Ganda ng lugar ah. Ayun si neighbor. Kuha na tayo pagkain guys eh. Ganda lang ang bahay niya guys ah. Why are you in my home? Oh you got my package. Thanks, I guess you could knock it off. Since you're already here, why don't you watch the TV with me? You don't wanna watch the TV with me? nice joke, buddy. You should be careful who you joke around with. Bala ko yun. Wow! Lang. Yeah! Hey! Isa ako dito. Watch the TV. Ano gagawin mo? What? Ba't naman kayo mata mo? Ano nangyari? Stranishment ka daw eh. I think the power just went out, man. I'm afraid of one thing. One thing, the dark man. You're gonna have to go behind the house and reset the generator for me. Please, I'm begging. Guys, yan na. Guys, yan na. Sa likod daw eh. Guys, natakot ko. Baka may multong sumugod dito. Subagin pa natin, guys. Tagal nito, guys. Ayoko na. Uy, reset to lang. Yun. Diwal pa naman eh. Delete daw yun eh. Guys, natatakot talaga ako. Listen na. Talk to the neighbor. Ay, sa bakas. Makakanood ka na? Thanks for doing that, man. I owe you big time. You should probably head home and get some rest. See ya. Babalik na ako sa sa bahay. Ang babae natin layo. Nakakatakot to, guys Nakakatakot na lugar. Tayo lang kasi pinapapunta mag-isa, guys. Mag-isa lang tayo. Wala tayong kasama. Asan tatay ko? You should go to sleep. It's getting pretty late. Okay. Walang pa kahit na late na. Guys. Yan na, guys. Saan kaya mag-sleep? Yan na, guys. Yan na, guys. You can't seem to fall asleep. Day 2. Yan na, guys. Ano ba meron dito? Ganyan lang. Guys, bababa na tayo. Hello? Nangyari sa'yo? Mom? Dad Dylan's returned home since yesterday. Go to the shop and see if Devon has seen him around. This is starting to worry me now. Guys, talk to shopkeeper. Grabe, guys, nag-snow pa. Sa day 2, guys. Meron sa'yo. You're looking for your dad. Yeah, he seen him a bit ago. Think he was walking towards your neighbors. Ay, punta daw tayo sa neighbors. Talk to neighbors. Grabe, guys, kakausapin talaga natin. Mag-isa lang tayo, syempre. Kasi teenager na. Oh, yun na, guys. Guys. Oh, yan na naman, chiller na naman, Chiller. Your dad? Yeah, I was with him. He's behind my house right now. Had to kick him out. He had way too much Blaxicola. Didn't want him being sick on my god sofa. He had this weird look in his eyes, also creepy stuff. Galing! Nasabihin daw. neighbor's house. Ready na ba tayo, guys? Mamasapak tayo nito, guys, eh. Hello? Dad! What's happening? What's happened? What's happened? Hello, Grove. Hello, Grove. What the? Guys. The Hollow Whip. The Hollow Sweep pala. Why are they here now? No, this is not quiet, right? Stop jump scare me. The time is drawing closer. Please stop jump scare me. Please get out. What the hell is that? Ano to, guys? Dad! Tumigil ka, nakakainom ng Black Cola. Di maganda ang Black Cola. Head is killing me. I out south right now. It's all so blurry. Blurry. You should head home and get some rest. I'll catch up with you in a minute. Mabait naman pala yung dad natin. Guys, ba't ko pa kailangan sa guys, tara na, guys. Go to home. Baka mamatay siya, guys. Day 8 magiging yung nanay natin. Alam nyo na. Magiging siyang masama. May nangyari sa kanya. Grabe to, guys. Glad you found it. You really has to shop with the Black Colas. Anyway, you should head to bed. It's getting late now. Yan na naman, oh. Kaya tayo, guys. Kata tayo. Yan na, guys. You can't seem to fall asleep. Day 3. What's happening now? Ayun na, guys. Hello? Please, ma'am, walang nangyari sa'yo. Ma'am? Dad! Yung toxic cola is gone, all of it gone. Go and fetch me more Black Cola at the store. I feel the energy sapping from my body as we speak. Ano ba yan? Black Cola ng Black Cola eh. Painom naman. Guys, yun na. Your dad sick from lack of Black Cola? Sorry, man. We don't even have any Black Cola left. If you really need some cola, there might be some in the garbage behind the store. Skip natin yun. But they should be just fine to drink. Also, ignore Hobo Larry if you see him. Guys. Uy. Uy. Search the garbage. What's happening? Please. If he first don't move. Nagulat ako doon. Guys. I made it. They are almost here. The wall is shattering. Investigate noise behind the house. Isa tatakot na ako, guys. Wala na akong kasama ngayon. Gabi pa naman, guys. Ayoko na ito, guys. Ma'am? Go back to bed. Maybe I should just go to sleep. Nangyari na sa mom ko. Kaya nga eh, mamaya. Wala pa. Guys, yung mom ko may nangyayari sa kanya. Yun, nakausapin niya. Kanina na sa behind. Vinul. What the fuck is that? Yun, dito na na. Oh. You can seem the fall asleep. Day 4. Tanda lang, ayoko na kay ma'am. Ay, tanda lang ako. Ayoko na kay ma'am. Makakatakot, guys.
What?
Ano nangyari dyan? All now is Blacksy now. Oh, how I call for you non-Blacksy. Blacksy cola Blacksy yappy Blacksy. Takto shopkeeper, guys. Nakakatakot na to, guys. Day 8. Yun, what's happening? What's happening, guys? What's happening? Guys, chill lang to. Not a weird stuff happening in this town. Think it do with the climate change or some. Wala lang magawa, guys. Tok. Neighbor! Bumalik na ako sa'yo. Sa'yo na lang ako, neighbor. Ayun sa mga iba. Diyan, sa bahay na yan. Doon. Ay, pwede naman dyan. Granny, pwede din dyan. Yun sa bahay ko. Neighbor? Stop looking at me. Are you serious? Ayoko na din dito, guys. What's up, man? Have you seen my new cat yet? Ain't she adorable? Kakata ko Yun o, yung pagmumuha niya. Meow. Granny, sa'yo na lang ako. Granny? I really need to sleep. Guys, natakot ako dito. Default pa naman na. God, chill ka lang dada. Chill ka lang dada, sigaw naman. I'm so scary. I'm so scared. You can't seem to fall asleep. Yan naman, ganun lang. Day 5. Oh! What's happening to my screen? Hello? Guys, may nangyari sa screen natin. Look for the key. Guys, anong object natin? Anong gagawin natin? Oh man! It's too late now. It was worth a try. Try and find the right path. Please, tulungan niyo ako. The horizon. May castle guys, may castle. Dito pa mas ganda, dito na. Oh my god, Angel, tulungan niyo na ako. What happened? Are you okay? The spirit still cling onto this world. Sometimes I have to remind myself they only the hollow shell of what remains. I'm gonna touch you. Yoko nga! Ayoko na guys. Hindi ko na babasahin yan. Who is that? Who is that black nigga? They are looking off of me. Summon. Oh, wala na siya. Guys, tapos na ang video.